Hi everybody, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Tuesday, November the 3rd, 2020. My name is Taylor.
And I'm Laura.
We're going to be starting with the pound USD analysis.
The Great Britain pound slid down against the US dollar on Tuesday, decreasing the price of the pair to less than 1.3000 ahead of the release of UK Claimant Count Change news.
Now this pair is currently floating around the 1.2909. Looking at the chart closely, we'll find the following support levels. At support 1, we have the 1.2819, which is the low of October the 1st. Second support, we'll find a 61.8% Fibonacci level support at 1.2721. Finally, the third support is the psychological level of 1.27 flat.
On the upside, the pound USD might come across some critical resistance levels, making it harder for the price to pass through them. At resistance 1, we'll be facing 1.2979, which is the upper trend line arm. At resistance 2, it will be 1.3009, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. The third resistance will be 1.3030, which is the high of October 15th, 2020.
Okay, so the news that we're looking for that might affect this pair is the UK Claimant Count Change news. So, National Statistics anticipates releasing stats concerning this count change news on Tuesday, which is next week, November the 10th. And according to economists, these figures for the UK Claimant Count Change news will be at 78.8k in October. Was 78.8k in October as compared to the 28k in the previous month.
Stats for claimant count change reflects the changes in number of unemployed people within the country over the given time frame. The claimant count change is considered an important economic indicator and could give rise to increased volatilities. Generally speaking, rising number indicates alarming conditions and suggests a bearish market for the pound USD pair ahead and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, given the economic outlook of this pair over the last few days, selling the pound yen around the current levels might yield some good profits in short to medium term trading. Now moving on to the US CAD.
The US dollar nosedived against the Canadian dollar on Tuesday, quoting the price below 1.3300 ahead of the release of the Canadian net employment change news.
That's right, this pair dropped about 1% and it's currently hovering around the 1.3236. Looking at the chart closely again, you will find the following support levels. At 1.3162 is the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Second support is at 1.3098, which is the lower trend line arm. And finally, third support is a psychological level of 1.3 even.
On the upside, the price of the USD-CAD pair is likely to have some hard time passing through the resistance level listed below. At resistance 1, we'll be facing 1.3383, which is the immediate trendline arm. At resistance 2, we'll be facing 1.3420, which is the high of September 30th this year. At resistance 3, it will be 1.3437, which is the major horizontal resistance area.
Now, news for this pair, what will affect it? Statistics Canada plans to release numbers concerning the net employment change in Canada on November the 6th, which is this Friday. According to average estimates of economists, the numbers for net employment change in Canada will be at 7.5k in October. The figure for the Canadian employment change as a whole was 378.2k in the previous month.
The employment change stats reflects the change in the number of people employed in Canada over the period under consideration. The employment rate is considered an important economic indicator since it estimates the spending power of consumers. Surely the increased employment figure stimulates the country's economy, enabling customers to spend more. Therefore, a high reading in this regard is considered positive for the Canadian dollar, suggesting a bearish market for the USD-CAD pair and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, considering the price movement of this pair over the past few days, especially overnight, selling the US CAD pair around these current levels might be a worthwhile trading decision in the short to medium term trading. And as always, trade with only what you can afford to lose and always apply strict money and risk management techniques.
Don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook page. There's a lot for us to teach.
Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you next time.
Thank you. See ya.
Bye.